In today's video, I'll teach you how to create Doola account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in doola.com. Press enter. Once you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Doola. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see over here, you'll be able to get started for free. So what you have to do is click on this option, get started for free, that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be redirected to the new tab. From here, you'll be able to start creating the account for yourself. You can see over here, you'll be able to sign up with Google, or you can also sign up by providing your email address. If you want to sign up by providing your email address, first of all, enter your first name over here. Likewise, enter your last name. Now enter the phone number. Make sure to select the country code. After you do that, enter your phone number over here. Now once you do that, click on the field of email and provide the email address with which you would like to create the account for yourself. Now create the password for yourself. Your password must have at least 8 characters, at least lowercase and uppercase letters, and one number and a symbol. So create the password accordingly. Likewise, confirm the password. Make sure the password matches. Scroll down, click on this option, sign up with email, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll have to select the country of residence. Simply click on this field. Now after you do that, you'll be able to select the country over here. Click on the country of your choice. Now click on this option next, that you can see on your screen. Now you'll be able to see this question, how can we help you? You'll be able to find two options over here. So what you have to do is simply click on the option of your choice and click on this option, continue, that you can see on the screen. You'll be able to see this question, what kind of business are you building? You can see two options over here, LLC, C Corp. So click on the option of your choice. Now scroll down and click on this option next. Also answer few more questions. Click on the next option. Now enter your desired company name over here. Now click on the next option. Now select the desired state. Scroll down. Click on the next option. Now you'll be able to see the packages over here. You'll have to choose a plan in order to power up your business. You'll be able to see various plans over here. You'll also be able to see the features and price. So what you have to do is click on the plan of your choice. Now click on the next option, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see your summary over here. You can see the total amount that you have to pay. Along with that, you'll also be able to see the informations that you provided earlier. So simply review all the informations. Scroll down and check on this box that you can see on the screen. You're basically confirming the accuracy of the provided information. Now click on the confirm option. Now once you do that, what you have to do is simply provide your payment information. What you have to do is simply enter your card information over here, enter the card number, expiration date and CVC. Likewise, enter the cardholder name and select the country or region. Now after that, click on this option, subscribe, that you can see on the screen. Now once you subscribe to this plan, what you have to do is answer few more questions in order to set up your business. After you do that, your account will be created. So like this, you'll be able to create the Doola account for yourself. So that is how you create Doola account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.